Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Now the question is XRP gearing up for a breakout, or are we about to see a major pullback? Now, after gaining about 2.1% in the past only 24 hours, traders are locked in at the $2.50 range to the $3.40 range. I know that's a lot. This is a critical battleground where bulls and bears are basically fighting for control. Look, you guys, if bulls take over, XRP could surge to the $4.20, $4.50 mark. But if the bears push it lower, we could see a dip down to about $1.96. Okay. Now, right now at this moment, XRP is trading at around $3.08 with a market cap of roughly about $179-180 billion. And it does have a 24-hour trading volume about $8.2 billion. Okay, now while XRP is still below its all-time high, obviously, of about $3.84, it has surged over 484% over the past year, right? And that actually massively outperformed Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that. And you can see that here, you guys. Like in this last 1 year, right, for a year of XRP, I mean, if you would have gotten the very bottoms to the tops, you would have made 750%. We literally went from 40 cents all the way up to $3.40. Like, I know it's not a full bull run, but you guys, that's basically bull run numbers, right? And you can see that the chart just looks so beautiful. And even if we zoom out even more, we can see that we broke all-time highs before. This was our all-time high, and we broke it here. So it still has the potential and the momentum to continue riding up, specifically due to the fact that now we're getting laws that could be coming out where it's no taxes on XRP and anything created in the US. So there's a lot of fundamental changes that are basically coming that are going to be a big vice to it growing, right? And also, realistically, in the past month, it was even up 50%, and it had a lot of strong momentum and high volatility. And here's the thing, right now, it is at a crucial decision point. The question is always going to be simple. Are the bulls going to drive it to a major rally, or are the bears going to drag it into another correction? So let's break down some of the fundamentals, okay? Now, news-wise, XRP is still between these key levels, and resistance is sitting at around 340 on the chart. 326 in my number. I really like this. 326 is the next resistance up. Now, its key support zone is between this 250, right? And we can kind of see that. I would even bring it up to about 270 up until about 325 would be the key right now, the channel area. And that's the bigger one. We are wanting to find a more defined channel so we can get some entries and some exits. Now, what I do know, if the bulls defend this 270, 250 range area, then I can guarantee we're going to have a ride up, and it could target about $4.20, $4.50. But if the support fails, I do think we'll drop back down to the $2 mark here, maybe even down to the $1.93 range, right? And that's just critical because that is a psychological number under the $2 mark. So we're going to have a lot more liquidity being pulled out of that, okay? But beyond just the price charts, there are several external factors that are currently heavily influencing XRP's next big move. So you want to be prepared for them and understand what's happening. So the first one is regulation and legal news. So right now, any updates regarding Ripple's legal battle, that's one that could cause some major price swings, right? We're either going to see a lot of entries or a lot of exits within the market based on what they say in regards to this law case. Then another thing is regulation in regards to it being a tax-free crypto. If that is the case, we're going to see so much liquidity enter it. I mean, Moz and Paz and all these institutions, because it's a tax-free, that would be insane for this year, right? Then we've got some macroeconomic conditions, right? So we've got inflation. That's still something to think about. We've got interest rate decisions, and that's coming today. We've got a meeting at the FOMC, and then the broader market sentiment. And these are all going to impact inflows, specifically to XRP in this example. Then we've got speculative hype. Okay, you guys. Now, reason I wrote speculative hype is because high profiles like Elon Musk and some of these bigger influencers are within the overall crypto market can continue to drive sentiment and volatility. And right now, we know that XRP is at a critical decision point. Right, these next few days could technically define its trajectory for 2025. And if the bulls break the 340, I am hoping we see a fat rally. When I was in Singapore, we had talked about it, and I had brought up in the channel that it could hit $4 or $5. And the fact that it's already past $3 makes me so happy. But if the bears do take over, you guys, we are going to see a drop below 250. And that's when you need to be prepared for another dip. Now, XRP is at this pivotal moment, and the next breakout or breakdown could define 2025. The question is, are the bulls going to push it up or are the bears going to push it down? I want to know what you guys are thinking, so comment below. If you're a big XRP holder, let me know below as well. And don't forget, if you trade meme coins, if you're a meme coin nerd, hit us up. That's what we do at Blockchain Management. We actually help you generate the reports that you're going to need to be audit ready and compatible for any sort of tax fees that come your way. So just make sure you're prepared. We can help you with that. If you're using Coinly and some of those apps, they don't always capture all the fees, where we will. So definitely hit us up and let's see if our services can help you. And if we can't, we'll guide you in the right direction. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel. And of course, until next time, you need to stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.